Hey folks, today's day number 4 working on the chicken coop. We're expecting to have the fan delivered from Amazon today. This fan will help ventilate the shed. We'll be able to frame that in today and get all the woodwork done around there. Yesterday I finished up the electrical and put an outside light up on the porch and pretty much tied up everything on the inside, so we should be able to finish that off as well. So come on along with us today, and appreciate you stopping by to see us. Okay, we just got the Artillion Wall Fan. We're going to open up the box and show you what it looks like. It's a great little system. You've got the fan. You've got the control mechanism. And then you have your various cables. So basically the fan will get mounted on the inside. We'll build a square channel inside the wall to go to the outside of the building. The fan face will obviously, as we said, will be inside. This plugs into the controller. And then you have a temperature gauge, temperature probe I should say, that plugs in over here. And then you can set the probe out anywhere you want. That's a temperature and humidity probe. And then you have your power cord that also plugs into here. So we'll mount this up in the ceiling, route our cords, put this at a height where we can get to it. This is a full complete digital programmer. And then we'll run the probe down about midway down the wall, because this will sense the temperature and the humidity and will determine what speed the fan will run. Very nice little system. It's about 60 bucks on Amazon. So that's it. Next time you'll see it'll be on the wall. Okay, so here's what I've done. I made a removable piece so that the electrical will come up through here. We'll have an outlet for the fan. I'm also going to drill a little hole over here on this side so that we can have the wire come out through and be able to go to the control box, which will come down here. And I made this removable with screws so that if we ever need to change this out, take the wiring out from behind the wall, we'll be able to do that. One of the things I wanted to show you was our vent system. We have this all set up so that it'll automatically go on based upon temperature and humidity. The fan will run at various speeds. We can set it all. We've set high temperature, low temperature. Right now I'm putting it on manual and we're running it at 10. It's relatively quiet. As you can see, it's ramping up, going from 1 to 10. And you can barely hear it here inside the coop. This little fan system is designed for crawl spaces to remove the dampness and all the humidity that builds up in there. So this is what it looks like, and that's how quiet it is. I'll put the specifications for it down in the comment section of this video. And the only last thing we have to do is we have to put a different vent on the outside vent cover. The vent cover that I put on, I'm not crazy about. We ordered another one, and as soon as it comes in, I'm going to install that. We'll show that at some point in time to you. So in the world of construction, we would call this project substantially complete. We're about 99.5, 99.8% complete on the project. We finished everything on the inside. We're getting ready to move the chicks in. They're getting very, very crowded in their little brooder. So we're going to move them in on a temporary basis to get them out of that brooder and give them some space, because they're kind of fighting with one another right now, fighting for space. So I'll show you what it's going to look like finished, and then we have to make a couple small modifications to get ready because the little chicks aren't going to need to go into the laying boxes. So I'll give you a quick tour. This is the finished product. There's our vinyl floor. I'll put in with molding. We got the molding around all of the laying boxes. And you know that a project is getting complete when you start hanging wall art and curtain rods. So Patty will be making some curtains that she's going to hang on our little rod that we have down here. But for now, we're going to take some wood and close up these laying boxes because the little chicks don't need to go in there. So up here is the finished ceiling with the grates. We have 1/2 hardware cloth and including regular bug screen above that. We have the finished wall over here. And on this finished wall, we're going to be hanging a roost at about 2 foot off the floor. And basically, we'll come in at about here and rest, and the roost bar will be about there. We had a little fun making some of the trim here for the door that leads out to the outside run, which is still going to be under construction. But we've boarded that up temporarily because, again, we're not going to let the little chicks out. They're too young. So while they're in here, we'll be working on 2 stages. There's an outside portion of this chicken coop that is all enclosed, and we're going to pretty much secure that some more with 1/2 hardware cloth and get that ready. Then we'll be able to let them out in stages. They can go out into their little deck area for a little while, and then when we finish the outdoor run completely, we'll be able to put them out. So that's it, folks. That's our finished product. Hope you like our videos that we did on this. And we'll show you what it looks like when we get ready to load in the little baby chicks. So welcome to the Cackle Inn. These little guys hit the chicken lottery. Thanks again for coming to see us, folks. Here we are in our new home. Very traumatic. We're still all huddling together because we can't figure out quite what's going on. You like that, don't you, buddy? See, I do. I like getting rubbed under the wings. That's nice stuff. I do. I like that. Yeah, I like that. That's good stuff. Yeah. I do. Say, no, don't put me down. Who wants to come up? You want to come back up? You coming up? Oh, yeah. Rub those feathers. Oh, yeah. Rub those wings. Rub under those wings. We love that. Stop being pecking on your brother or sister. Stop it. Who's next? Who's next? Do you want to come up? Come here. Hey, okay. Rub those little wings. Rub underneath there. Yeah. Rub underneath there. Stop picking on your brother. Who wants to come up? You? Come up. I'll rub under your wings. There you go. Oh, you don't like it as much as everybody else? Okay. All right. Who else? You? You coming up next? All right. See, okay, I like that. Yeah, that's good stuff. Yeah, that's good stuff. Don't pick on your brother. Hey, that's good stuff. Sister, whatever. We don't know which are yet. Yeah, we don't know which are yet. Yeah. Well, we finally settled in for the night.